Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine and studying well. So children, as you all know, we have started this 8-number chapter in your Honeycomb book. The chapter name is Fire, Friend and Foe. So we have started and the chapter was explained and few new words I have given to write it down in your copies. So you have completed this and we have started yesterday a few exercise that was comprehension check and we have completed. Now today we are going to start our working with the text and this you can find on page number 119, chapter number 8 in your Honeycomb book. So please children, turn over your page and take out page number 119, working with the text. So that we are going to do working with the text. Okay children, so that we are going to complete today. So answer the following question. What do you understand by flash point of a fuel? That we have already understood yesterday. So what is flash point? At that temperature, it is only referring a temperature. At that temperature the fire will be start. So we are going to write the answer first, working with text, answer number 1. So answer number 1, that is the particular temperature. Answer number 1 is the particular temperature, temperature at which a fuel begins to burn is called its flash point. It is also known as its kindling temperature. So children, please write it down. This is answer number 1. The particular temperature at which a fuel begins to burn is called its flash point. It is also known as its kindling temperature. So children, complete it. And now we are going to start second question. Second question having already part 1 and part 2. What are some common uses of fire? And the second question is, in what sense it is a bad master? So I am going to write question number 2, part number 1. Answer number 2, and this is part number 1. I am going to write the answer. Some of the common uses of fire. Some some of the common uses of fire are to cook food, warm our homes, in winter, and to generate electricity. So the first part answer is question number 2, number 1 part, and the answer is some of the common uses of fire are to cook food, warm our homes in winters, and to generate electricity. So children, note it down and take a screenshot. You can do both things. Now we are going to write number 2 number part 2. So I am going to erase question number 1. And now I am going to write second part of this second question, that is it is a bad master. It is a bad master, inverted comma we are going to write, because if it is not kept under control. Okay children, it can prove many dangerous. It can prove very dangerous. Each year thousands of homes and shops are damaged by fire, comma, vast areas of forest are also destroyed and hundreds of people are killed or injured. So this answer is completed. So children, write it down. It is a bad master because if it is not kept under control, it can prove very dangerous. Each year, thousands of homes and shops are damaged by fire. Vast areas of forest are also destroyed and hundreds of people are killed or injured. So children, take a screenshot and complete it. After that, I am going to erase this. So next question we are going to complete, that is, we can see, that is match the items in column A with column B. This is question number 3. Question number 3, we are going to match the column. So children, let's complete this question. Now first is fuel, and this is first we are going to write with coal. What are coals? And wood, of course. This is also a fuel. And now next is cooking gas. Cooking gas is also a fuel. Now second one, we are going to match the column A to column B, that is oxygen. Oxygen we are going to write over here. The second one is air. Oxygen is air. Now third thing, that is heat. Now heat is you can say lighted matchstick. Lighted matchsticks. And the second thing is burning coal. From there we can get heat. So burning coal is also a part of heat. And smoldering paper. So these are the, we can say these are the sources of heat, and this is the source of oxygen is considered as air, and fuel, coal, wood and cooking gas, these are the fuels. So children, please complete it. And after that we are going to do number 4. What are the 3 main ways in which a fire can be controlled or put out? So children, after this we just going to write number 4. So number 4, write it down the question first. Number 4, answer number 4. So children, please write it down. Answer number 4, that is fire can be controlled. Fire can be controlled to put out by taking away are of the 3 things required for burning the first way to take away the fuel if the fire has no fuel to feed on. No burning can take place. The first way. Now completed, children? Now second way, I am going to write over here. Second way is to present oxygen from reaching it, no supply, full stop, no supply of oxygen means no fire, small fires can be put out or smothered with a damp is wet, damp blanket or a sack. This stops oxygen from reaching the burning material. Sometimes carbon dioxide is used, this is very important thing, children, is used to extinguishing a fire as it does not allow oxygen to reach the burning material. The burning material. From these prevention we can make. This is the second way. Now we are going to do third way, how to prevent or how to reduce that the three ways in which a fire can be controlled or put out. So that we are doing, and we have completed second way, and then the same answer is going on, and after this you just take a screenshot. We are going to do third way. Take a screenshot, children. So children, third way. The third way of putting, the third way of putting out fire is to remove the heat. Now if the temperature can be brought, sorry, this is R, can be brought down below the flash point, comma. Now after that the fuel stop burning. The fuel stops burning. Now here you can say when the flash point is low, then the fuel stops burning. Now again I am going to write. Now blowing or a burning matchsticks or a candle removes the hot air around the flame, bringing down its temperature below the flash, that is flash point, below the flash point. Now after that sometimes water is sprayed on a fire. It absorbs that heat that heat from the burning fuel. From the burning fuel and lowers the temperature. Because of the water, we can make the temperature down. So now here it also cuts off. It also cuts off now I think last line, cuts off the supply of oxygen and therefore the fire is extinguished. Now here you can see the answer is completed, and children complete it. Take a screenshot because it is quite big answer. It's describing 3 ways to reduce the fire. So this is quite big answer. You just complete it. 3 ways it is described in this answer. So children, we are going to write the next answer of this chapter. So that is question number 5 that we are going to do. Question number 5, match the items in a box A with those in a box B. So children, please write it down first, then I am going to erase this or take a screenshot, children. So take a screenshot and we are going to complete next question, that is only and only the matching, and you can do in the book itself. So match the items in column A with those in box B. So first, to burn paper or a piece of wood. Now first is going to match, we heat it before it catches fire. So I am going to write number 1 is going to match in column B, that is we heat it before it catches fire. It catches fire. Now second, small fires can be put out with the damp blanket. With the damp blanket. Okay. Now number 3, when water is spread on fire, so what happened? It absorbs heat. It absorbs heat from the burning material. From the burning material. From the burning material and lowers the temperature. Okay, children. So now number 4 is a carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best thing. So what we are going to write, what we are going to match over here? To put out an electrical fire. To put out an electrical fire. Okay, children? Now number 5 is space left between buildings. Space left, number 4, to put out the electrifier. Space left between buildings. Number 5, reduce the risk of fire. Reduce the risk of fire. So children, today we have completed till exercise number 5, and tomorrow we will do next exercise and complete it in your copy, and this you can complete in the textbook also. So children, we will meet tomorrow. Till then, bye bye and take care.